So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in Rockstar Games Launcher. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on this PC. Now, you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. You want to find your Rockstar Games folder. For me, it's in Program Files x86. I have Rockstar Games right here. You want to rename this folder. So just right click on it and then click on Show More Options and then click on Rename. I'm just going to call it Rockstar Games 1. You can call it anything you want to, just rename the folder and then click on Enter. Try to launch the Rockstar Games Launcher again and then see if that works. For the next method, if you have OneDrive open, then you want to close it. In the bottom right of your taskbar, you might be seeing OneDrive right here, or if you click on the arrow, it might appear over here. Now, if you do see OneDrive, you want to right click on it, and then click on Settings, and then click on Quit OneDrive, and then click on Close OneDrive. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to Search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it, and now once you're on this, you want to find Rockstar Games Launcher. Just scroll down. Once you find it, you want to click on the three dots and then click on Uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. Then you just want to reinstall it again. There's going to be a link to this website down below in the description. Hopefully this will fix your problem.